What's up? My name is Connor Blake and I'm a senior at the University of Southern Maine. And today I'm going to show you just how simple and easy it is to take the brand new Shield T3 COVID saliva test. Let's go. The first thing I'm going to do is go into my app store and download the Safer Community app. Once I have the app downloaded, it takes about 30 seconds to set up my profile. Once my profile is set up, it's time for me to pick a time, date, and location to take my test. For me, I chose the Abramson Center on the USM Portland campus. Now that I'm here, I'm going to go check in at the front desk and show you what this process is like. When checking in, they're going to ask for my name and date of birth. Then they're going to scan the QR code from the app. Please make sure you don't eat, drink, smoke, or chew anything 60 minutes prior to the test and don't have any of the following symptoms. Next, I'm going to sanitize my hands, head into the testing room, and find myself a nice seat. This one looks right. Now we're going to take out the vial from the bag, screw off the cap, and put on the funnel. Pro tip, while you do this, rub your tongue up against your teeth to generate spit. Doing this can be a little bit awkward, so I just pull down my mask and drool into the tube underneath it. Once I'm done, my vial should look like this, clear and colorless. Unacceptable vials could look like this. Once I'm done, I take the funnel off, screw the cap on tight, and place it into the biohazard bag. Walk over to the trash can and discard my funnel. The last step is to go to the checkout desk, give them the test, and they'll send it off to the lab, and my results should come back in 24 hours. Don't forget to hand sanitize. And with that, stay safe and stay healthy.